Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your controller won't connect to your PC. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if your controller is not connecting to the PC, go ahead and uninstall under Device Manager. Now on the home screen here, let's go to the search option and simply type in Device Manager and open up this window. Now let's go to Bluetooth right here. And we can see our Bluetooth listing. If you have any wireless controllers on here, go ahead and try unpairing it by selecting it and then going to the top to this little X, uninstall device. Now you may not see your controller in here, maybe you connected it at one point, but go to View and go to Show Hidden Devices. And anything that says wireless gamepad or gamepad, go ahead and uninstall it and then try reconnecting your PlayStation or Xbox controller. Also, if you can't find any wireless controllers under Bluetooth, scroll on down to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and just select it under this list. So I can see wireless controller right here. Simply select it, go to the X, and uninstall. So let's go to Bluetooth devices under Settings, and select this. Then go to the right and go to Add Device. And go to Bluetooth, mice, keyboards, pens, audio devices, controllers. Now put your controller into the sync mode. On the PlayStation, you have to hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And this will put your controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And you'll know it's trying to pair when you have flashing blue lights. Now select the wireless controller and it will connect to your PC. And you can open this up in Steam and start using it. Just make sure you have the right configuration selected. So here's Steam. Let's go to Big Picture. Now let's select Settings under here and then go to Controller Settings and make sure we have Xbox or PlayStation, whatever controller we're using, selected. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.